Welcome class 10, homologous series of the alkene compound. This is known as the unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now alkene, ENE, it containing of the carbon-carbon double bond. Carbon-carbon double bond means each of this alkene compound, whether it's a member or the higher member of the alkene unsaturated compound, it is compulsory or mandatory to have a CC double bond. See here, or when you go down the group to the higher member of the alkene group from the lower member of the alkene group, you find the commonality between them is the occurrence of the CC double bond. And this CC double bond is nothing but one of them is here, एक यहाँ पर pi bond होगा, एक sigma, and this pi bond is going to take part in the addition reaction. ये सिर्फ ये आपका एडिशन रिएक्शन पाई बॉन्ड करेगा, ये आपका ऐड करेंगे दूसरा एलिमेंट को या दूसरा एटम को और अपने ग्रुप में ला करके ये आपका कन्वर्टेड होगा सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स में. तो व्हेन यू गो टू सी ऑन ऑल ऑफ दिस वन हैज गॉट अ सिमिलर केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी. देखिए यहाँ पर समझे, सबके पास वो डबल बोन है, एक ही वो डबल बोन है, तो इनका सिमिलर केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज रहेगा क्योंकि एक ही ये इनके पास पाई बॉन्ड है और एक ही सिग्मा बॉन्ड है. यहाँ पर व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन देम? हियर only the physical properties of the alkene compound is going to change, like we have studied in the alkane or the saturated hydrocarbons. देखो यहाँ पर when you go from the top to the down, from the lower member to the higher member of the alkene compound, what do you find? That the boiling point is increases because most of the this one is called the organic compounds. So most of these organic compounds are existing in the form of the organic solvents. So when you go from the lower member to the higher member, the boiling point is going to increases. Why it is increases? Because in the additional period, यहाँ पर एक देखेगा तो there is a increasing order of the methylene group. When you go from the third member to here, you find that CH2 is increasing in each of the higher member coming from the top to bottom. So here in short, physical properties will differ, refractive index will differ, solubility will differ, and boiling point will differ. If it is an organ solvent, I beg your pardon, but and the molecular properties also will be increasing as we go down the group from the top to bottom because of the increasing CH2 group and every sequence of the member group. So this is the nothing but the homologous series. In the homologous series, only chemical properties are same, but the physical properties differ. Okay, then you like my explanation? Please copy the notes and all. Share my videos to all of them. Subscribe and don't forget to like the press button. Okay, till then, goodbye. Thank you. God take care.